Hi there, and welcome to INDO Property Hub, the hub for Indonesian real estate. In this video, we will walk through account types and account creation. So to do this, from the home page, we will click on the Register button in the top right. Now on the Register page, we have three different account types. Type 1 is a customer account. This is for people looking for properties and services. Creating this account will allow you to save properties, send agents and service providers messages, and leave them reviews. This account type is completely free to use. Type 2 is a properties account. This will allow you to purchase subscriptions for listing properties, create property listings, save properties to be shown in the featured properties section, and exchange messages with customer accounts. This account type requires a paid monthly subscription to list properties. And Type 3 is a services account. This account type will allow you to purchase subscriptions for services ad creation, create services ads, and exchange messages with customer accounts. This account type requires a paid monthly subscription to list services ads. Now we have established the different roles of each account type. Select the right one for your needs and fill in the required fields. Ensure entered details are correct and then click the Register button. Alternatively, you can sign up using your Google account. Simply press the Continue with Google option and follow the prompts. When sign up is successful, you will be automatically redirected to your account. For properties and services accounts, we recommend you complete your account profile by clicking on the Account Details button, and then completing as many of the fields as possible, along with uploading a photo, and ensure you click the Save Changes button before moving on. Please note, profile creation is not essential for customer accounts. And with this step complete, you are now ready to access more in-depth features of our platform. For properties and services accounts, please watch the next video detailing subscriptions and how to activate them. Until we see you again, have an amazing day.